Right, we've got a Beko DC7112W and my button's gone. Can't turn it on, can't do anything with it. So we're going to try and take it apart and see if we can repair it. So, let's have a look. We've got screws on the back here. Take that off. And then take that off. Right, and then this should. We hope. Some another screw somewhere. There we go. Right, we've got a front panel to take off. So, what we got? We got a screw there. That's attached somehow. So that must come out. Let's get that out. There we go. Look like clips. That one there. Prise them in, I think. Oh, we hope. Should pop out with any luck. There you go. Yeah, you've got basically a couple of clips that hold the whole thing in. So I've got some screws to take this off. Try and keep all your screws together. Back for the backs, fronts for the fronts. They're different sizes anyway, but it's better to have them together. Don't have to worry of losing anything. Right. So this front panel hopefully should lift off. There we go. Well, I've got the front panel off. And what you've got 4 connectors. And what I've done, I've got some Sharpie pens, 4 different colours. You can see I've done black and yellow. And then on the other side, I've done orange and blue. And I've marked because it just makes it better to take it apart. Because if you get that back together wrong, it can be an absolute nightmare. So what I've got to do is pull the connectors off. Should just pull out. There's one. Oh dear. Oh, it's a bit tight, that one. Okay, this one out. Right, so we've got this Saga board, and I'm pretty sure that it's held on with 1, 2, 3 screws. These are actually for this, so we shouldn't have to undo those. Right, they're the same size as the other ones that come out. No, slightly different, so keep them to one side. And then 2, 3. So, there we go. Now, oh right, okay, so it's held in somehow. Got bits down here, so it must be these then that are holding it in. Okay, get a knife or screwdriver, depends which one you want to use. Pick them out, hopefully. That's it. That should lift out now. He says. Alright, okay, so how's that held in then? Oh. Took the wrong screw out. The one I said I shouldn't take out, I took out. So it's this one that holds it all. Alright, okay. So I'll take that one out. I'll pop this one back in quickly. I didn't realise I went wrong one. I've popped it back in now. There you go. Right, that should. There we go, lift it up. Right, so if we leave that to there, so the button's broke, so what's actually, so it's actually snapped. That's the problem, isn't it? Actually broken there. Right, okay, so that might glue or it might need a new board. So I shall have a look. But yeah, as you can see, there's no breaking. That's it. Right, so that then. It looks like it's a glue job. So I might not have to buy the part. If this works, then it's a temporary repair until the part turns up and change it. Loctite should be strong enough for it. Shouldn't take too long to go off.
Time will tell.
Let that go off and then we shall see. The new unit for this plastic bit is about £6, so it's not expensive anyway, but obviously they're going to take some time to get here, so I'd rather get it done and be able to use the tumble dryer for now until the new part turns up. I've got some Gorilla tape, and we're going to make a bit for over the plastic just to secure it. Hopefully it'll hold it better.
That's better.
It's only until, like I say, the new bit comes anyway. Just trim it down as far as you need. I've got my finger still.
I've got finger still.
Nope. Well, I'm pretty sure it's okay. It's got a bit of flex edge when I thing it. Yeah, that's probably going to hold. We've all the new bit anyway.
I'll put a little bit just across the back, just to make sure that it's safe and on there. But undoing this tape is a bit harder than I thought. Here we go. Okay. All bandaged up. Holds it even better, look.
Okay, cool. We'll see what happens when we put it back together. See if it works.
And if it doesn't,
Wait for the new part.
wait for the new part.
Right, that's the fun of putting it back together. Hopefully. Still got to go right now. 1, 2, 3. One more to click in. I think that's it. 4 things in. There's the advantage of keeping all the screws separate. I know which ones go where. And at the end of it going, oh, that one doesn't fit in there. That's normally what happens. Obviously I'm not engineer qualified, I'm not a repairman or anything like that. Just my one broke at home, and rather than spending £250 on buying a new one, see if we can repair this one. So we've got yellow, which will be down the bottom. And blue, which will be that one. And purple will be this one. And black that back in, everything back in as it should be. There. Screw in the top. Third one. There. Right. And this plastic bit, and make sure it comes back off the way it went on, which is these bits to the front. And then that should clip in to that hole there. That's it. This up. Now hopefully it'll work. Must make sure you get your screws in nice and level as well, because you don't want to cross thread them inside the machine, because that will cause problems. Right, turn her on. So, power. Bingo. Works. All fixed. Brilliant. That works. I mean, the button's a little bit further in than it was, but until the new part comes, I think that'll be fine. Happily turns on and off. And that's how you fix a Beko DC7112W on and off start pause switch.